So, hi dear Aquarius, a very, very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 1st of September. Whew. For those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side, please keep in mind the roles can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also, and if it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. Okay. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very, very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start, Aquarius. Your person or your person that you're in no contact with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. What's this feeling taking over me? Baby, that's always forever I'll be by your side. Wow. Aquarius, someone feels like coming back around. Someone feels like coming back around. Okay. It's like if this is somebody who messed up big time. Yeah. Somebody who did something really wrong with you. This person is feeling like asking for forgiveness for you from their side. They feel like coming towards you, offer you a friendship kind of a deal, and they feel like let's start from scratch. Let's start from a friendship kind of a deal, and let's see if we can make this work out this time. So this is somebody who definitely feels like coming towards you with some kind of peaceful resolution, with some kind of message, communication, apology to sort it out with you, to start start this connection, start the situation with a clean slate from scratch, and starting from friendship and seeing if it can go towards something meaningful, towards something stable and long term. Okay, so their feelings are very, very beautiful right now at this present moment towards the situation, and it's not they're feeling like it from a very long time. It's like a sudden kind of realization. Out of nowhere they're realizing that maybe we can do it like this, or out of nowhere they're feeling like this. Like one day they just got up and they felt like, oh my god, I feel like I should apologize, I should connect with Aquarius. Or if you are the one who messed up or who fucked up here, they feel like you should be the one doing all this with them, and they're feeling like they are ready to give this another shot. They're feeling like it. Okay, now there's a totally different story chapter between heart and mind always. Okay, so their feelings are like this. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Yeah. Told ya. Their intention is to keep their guards up, work on themselves. Their intention is to let go of this on and off, in and out kind of energy. If they want to be very, very sure, very, very clear, very much in this clear cut energy of they want it or not. So right now they want to keep their guards up, work on themselves until unless they're 1000% sure they want to work on this connection between you and them or not. They don't want to take any kind of action until they are 1000% clear if they should do it or not. So that is kind of good. Yeah. So they know this situation ended on a very ugly note, or this situation ended the way it should not have ended, or something in the situation was completely off or imbalanced, or whatever the case may be. But this person's intention is to come back around only when they are 1000% clear, plus only when they know that they want it completely. Okay, let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 1st of September. We have the 8 of Wands, the Hierophant, the 2 of Swords, bottom of the deck is the 9 of Cups. This person is dying to connect with you, dying to talk to you in some way, shape or form, but at the same time they are feeling spiritually blocked in the situation. What is the meaning of spiritually blocked? It's like they are not getting the signal from the universe. They're not getting this intuitive energy like I should talk to Aquarius. It's like they're not getting this, what should I say? I'm not getting the exact word here, but they're waiting for some kind of sign from the universe. Like, for example, they might have intended, like, if I'm going to see a pink color card today, then I'm going to see Aquarius. Just giving you a stupid example. So they're not getting that signal from the universe as of now. So they're planning to connect with you. They're planning to contact you and have back and forth communication with you. But because they're having a certain kind of blockage, or they feel like there's a certain kind of blockage as of now in the situation, they think right now they should not do it. So I don't think they are going to do it as of now. They're planning to do it, but as of now I don't think they are going to do it. So they are keeping their heart open, they're keeping their energies open towards the situation. Okay, because again, this is a huge realization out of nowhere. They're realizing they're realizing this, that they can make it work out with you. But again, they right now they are feeling there is a certain kind of blockage that they can't overcome. But once they will be able to overcome that blockage, they might connect with you. Might. Okay, let's see the guidance here, Aquarius, for you people. We have the Queen of Cups. Okay, take care of yourself as much as you can. Self-love, self-care, self-healing is very, very important for you guys. And keep on healing yourself, keep on giving yourself the love that you're like trying to get from other people, other situations. Because even if you're going to get it from the outside, you're not going to feel that much good about it until unless you're going to get it from inside of you. Okay, this is the spiritual thing that I'm telling you. But on a human level, I think right now the universe wants you to keep your mouth and energies down and low-key and shut. Okay, because whatever is meant for you will come to you eventually, but from your side no action is required, nothing is required, just self-love, self-care, self-healing, and this energy of yes, everything is happening for my highest good. Yeah, cool, good to go. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.